Hello guys, welcome back to Chair Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix unknown USB device, the device failed enumeration error on your Windows 11 and how we can fix this up. So let's dive into the workarounds. So let me directly move to the step so you can try this out. Okay, so the first one, what you have to do is you just have to go over here in the search. Now you have to search for CMD. Okay, you'll be getting like this, which is command prompt. Click on run as administrator, go for yes. Now I'll be giving a command in the description, you just have to paste it. So I have already copied it, so I'll be pasting it with Ctrl V. I'll paste it, so it is done. And you just have to press enter. When you press enter, you'll be getting a dialog box like this. Okay, so here as you can see, troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems, hardware and devices. So here there is an option called advanced, so you just have to click on this one, and which means apply repairs automatically, go for next. Okay, so this will detect any problems if there is any problem. So this is going to take a little bit of time. Once this is completely done, what you have to do is you just have to restart your PC or laptop, and you can try this method both on a Windows 10 as well as on a Windows 11, and this method will be completely helping you guys out, and this is what you have to do. And I hope this video is helpful. Once it is done, this is going to take a little bit of time, so I'm not skipping this part, so that once it is done, just restart your PC and try. Right now, as you can see, restart your PC to finish installing drivers. So I'll skip this. You just have to apply this fix, go for this one. And what you have to do is you just have to, they're asking for restart, right? So you just have to restart, as I said earlier. Once you're done with the restart, most probably this will be completely fixed. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.